out and got a reach-in refrigerator to look at. So let's get out there, we'll take a look, and we'll see what's going on with this thing. Alright, let me know what you find out. Alright, I'll let you know. Okay. Just a little under counter, I've got to pull that. Oh man, it's so hot in here. 80. What do we got? We got a H.V.A.C 48. Looks like 11 ounces of 134A. Let's see what we find in the back here. Oh yeah. There it is. Just the way we like them. Looky there. Oh man, that's like a double sweater. It's like super good thick sweater right there. On this one. Oh, I can feel the heat from the compressor, but the condenser fan motor's not running. Let's see if that condenser fan motor's dead. Alright, so I had that unplugged, let it cool off. I'll plug it back in, we'll see if this condenser fan motor's dead. I'm thinking the condenser fan motor died. And then the compressor was going off on its internal. It's so hot. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can plug this in. Oh yeah, goner. Okay, dead condenser fan motor. Maybe I'll try that Azure watt motor, that programmable one I got. We'll see if it works in here. Let's see. Tool bag's all dirty. Tools are all dirty from my crawl heater repair. Freaking bot air job. 2 3/8 bolts in the skid here comes out. One here, and then this will pull out to us. So we can change that motor. I'll show you guys that here in just a sec. I like to get these out is I got an extension on my impact with a number 3 Phillips. It'll reach right down in there. Get those right out of there.
Can you pass me a knife real quick so I can...
Alright, so 1550 RPMs clockwise, 9 watts. And I got that, if you guys remember in the program video, I got that program for clockwise 1550, so we're in good shape. So heads up, these motors have great fitment. I actually think they fit better than the OEM motors. As far as the motor body, I think it's a little bit smaller. So that's nice. The retaining nut, you have to use the one that comes with the Mars motor. I think it's a metric thread on there. So you can't use the nut with the star washer off the old motor. You got to use the one that comes with it, and they do give you one. So that's a heads up on that. So it is, we're up and running. Check the drain line, it's clean. True units done. All right, our little True units all done. Some Christmas lights right there for you guys while I'm pulling out of this place. The ladies in there asked me, they're all, do you speak Espanol? And I went, sure. I'm all, ¿Dónde está cerveza? ¿Dónde está enanos? So I told them, yeah, the beers are the midgets. That went over real good. They were cracking up. But, so, I don't know, those Azure motors could get you out of a pickle. Programming them could be a pain in the butt if you don't get Bluetooth between the controller and your phone. I could see that being an issue in the middle of the night or something. I guess if you pre-program them, it's probably the way to go and double check it. Other than that, they fit really good in the units. We'll see how long that one lasts. That'll be a good tester. I've never used those before. So I'll keep you guys posted. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'm coming out for the midgets and the cervezas.